Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. Today I just want to bring you around a little bit. We've got such a variety of cars this week. Had a bunch come in, had a bunch leave, and I just want to show you, if you've got something out there that you think is not our cup of tea, I promise you it is. It's either our Tanqueray and Tonic or it's our cup of tea, one of the two. But like over here, we've got a 67 Cougar. We've got to get working on it. It needs a lot of electrical work, so we're getting ready to do it. The Nova next to it had some running issues. We've got it running and driving, but there are still some issues under the car that we need to take care of. This 65 Mustang that's next to it, very, very nice original car, but the speedometer quit working, so we got to fix it. 68 Cuda. We did all the mechanical on this, new motor, transmission, rear end, brakes, all that good stuff. Right next to it is an 80 Corvette. He came to us and it wasn't running or driving, he just put a motor in it. We got it running and driving, looking good, blah, blah, blah. Right next to it is a 67 GTO, very, very nice car. But it needs some stuff, We're gonna upgrade the brakes and we're gonna do some stuff interior-wise, gonna move his seat back, gonna put a fuel injection system on it. Right next to it is our 54 3100 Chevrolet pickup that we built for a gentleman a while back. And we just put seat belts in it and got it back on the road and that kind of thing. And then if you notice, up against our fantastic wall that we've got over there, we've got a 66 Mustang that my daughter and son-in-law just bought at Meekum. We had to do some things to it, and naturally I buffed it out and we detailed it. I mean, it looks just stunning. Next to it is our Malicious Intent. All we've got to do now is body and paint work. We've got all the ground effects done, motor and transmission. I mean, it is just an awesome, awesome car. Next to it is our 66 Big Block for sale. It is a 390 horse car, but it does have factory AC, which actually works, which is amazing to me, but we got it working. And next to it is a 70 Camaro, a customer of ours that we did a Corvette for. He just bought the car and he couldn't get it to run. And so we got it running, and we got to do some more things to it, but we'll get that done here shortly. So folks, if you've got something out there that needs some work, if you've got something out there that you need to restore, which is really what we'd like to do, but we can do whatever you want. So if you want it, if you need it, if you just have to have it, you know where to come, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.